Good morning, all of you. All of you, good morning. Good morning, all of you. And today we are going to discuss about the 100 NEET question. Chapter is biomolecule. So most important our chapter, our plus one biology. First year biology is a very important chapter. Okay. The first year chapter biomolecules. Okay. It's 100 questions. Okay, 100 questions. So first level questions. So because yes, ready. We are ready. Are you ready? Okay, ready. Okay. Good morning, all of you. Good morning. Good morning. Okay. To the 100 question, we can solve 100 question. Adil. Oh, Adil. 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 Okay. Good morning, Adil. Good morning. Okay, guys. Adil exam ledange. Today exam le. Okay. Okay, guys. Let us start. The biomolecule standard questions. Okay, the first of all, the first topic of our NCRT, how to analyze the chemical composition. Okay, how to analyze the chemical composition. The first question, come on, the first question, ready? Okay, let us start, guys. Okay, okay, let us start. Okay, let's start, guys. Okay. Morning, yes. English. Okay, English. Okay. This is super. Okay, so no problem. English exam is very easy. Don't worry, don't worry. Okay, guys, up start. Adil Nyan Tornado. Okay, you go and the exam okay, ready. Super, Adil, okay, ready. Okay, guys, let's start. The biomolecules are the first questions. Okay, guys, the first question. The biomolecules are. Okay, the biomolecules are. Come on. The biomolecules are. Which is answer? Option A is inorganic materials only, and organic materials only, and all the carbon compound obtained from living tissue, only DNA and RNA. It's a very simple question, guys. Especially your NCRT. Yes, especially your NCRT question. Come on, which is answer? Inorganic materials only? Is a no. Organic materials only? No. All of the carbon compound obtained from living tissue. Yes. Option C is the correct answer. And D, only DNA and RNA. No. Which is answer? Option C is the answer, because yes, NCRT mentioned all the carbon compound obtained from the living organism is called biomolecules. Okay, the answer option C is the answer. Then next question, second question. Okay, come on, the second question. Sulfate and phosphate are dash compound that are found in. Good question, guys. Good question. Come on, good question. Yeah, which is answer? The sulfate and phosphate are inorganic. Yes, it is inorganic. It's acid and compound that are found in acid soluble. No, not acid insoluble pool. No, guys, no. The sulfate and phosphate are not acid insoluble pool. Okay, it's organic. No, acid insoluble pool. No, it's inorganic but acid soluble fraction. Okay, inorganic but it is acid soluble fraction. Option C is the answer. Okay, option C is the answer. The sulfate and phosphate are inorganic, the compound that are found in acid soluble fraction. Option C is the answer. Okay, ready? Okay, the next question. Come on. The next question. The sum of the total composition of. The next question. The sum total composition of acid soluble and acid insoluble fraction represent the entire composition of. Actually, it is NCRT line. Yes, it is NCRT line. the sum total composition of acid soluble and acid insoluble fraction represent the entire composition of dead cells? No. Gene pool? No. And cellular pool? Yes, the entire cell pool contain acid soluble and acid insoluble fraction. It is your NCERT line out of gene pool. Option C is the answer because it is your NCERT line. Okay, ready? Okay, next question. The next question. The 20 different amino acid have. The 20 different amino acid have R group, carboxylic acid group. No, the all are same carboxylic acid group, the same amino group and same peptide bond, but the R group are different. Option A is the answer because a very simple question. It's a basic level question. Okay, the 20 different amino acids is a different R group. Option A is the answer. Okay, ready? The next question. Next question. The fifth questions. Come on, fifth question. Read the following statements and the select correct options. Read the following statements and the select correct options. Okay. Statement 1. The amino acid have ionizable nature. The amino acid have ionizable nature of NH2 and COH group. Okay. The statement 1. First of all, the amino acid have ionizable nature of NH2 and COH group. The statement correct or incorrect? Come on, is statement correct? Yes, the statement 1 is correct. So no problem because the NH2, the NH3 plus or minus? NH3 plus is ionizable plus, that it is ionizable nature, and COH is COO minus. Okay, COO minus, it is ionizable nature, is correct. The statement 2, in solution of different pH, the structure of amino acids remains same. The different pH, the structure of amino acid is not the same, is a different. Option statement 2 is incorrect, statement 1 is correct. Which option? The statement 1 is correct and the statement 2 is incorrect. Option B is the answer. Okay, option B is the answer. Okay guys, so simple question. The next question. Sixth question. Okay, sixth question. The example of aromatic amino acid is. Actually, 3 examples our NCERT mentioned in aromatic amino acid. 3 examples. Which is example? Thyroxine, phenylalanine, tryptophan. Thyroxine, phenylalanine, tryptophan is aromatic amino acid. Thyroxine, phenylalanine, tryptophan. Which is answer? All of this are aromatic amino acid. The thyroxine, phenylalanine, tryptophan, all of these are the aromatic amino acids. It's a very simple question. Simple question. Okay, then this question. The saturated fatty acid process. Okay, guys. Okay, the saturated fatty acid contain which bond? The carbon-carbon single bond between carbon atom and R, which dash at room temperature. The saturated fatty acid process dash carbon-carbon saturated carbon-carbon double bond between which option? Option C here. Yes, come on. The saturated fatty acid contain carbon-carbon double bond or single bond. Which is the carbon-carbon single bond. Okay, correct. But at a room temperature, that's a solid or liquid. Room temperature, solid or liquid. Yes, that is a solid. Option A is the answer because it's a good question. It's a good question. Once again, guys. The question is the saturated fatty acid process. First of all, we will get the saturated fatty acid process carbon-carbon single bond between carbon atom and they are solid at room temperature. Okay, that are solid at room temperature. The option A is the answer. Option A is the answer. Okay, ready? It's a simple question. Okay, The next question, eighth question. Which of the following is trihydroxypropane? Next question. Which of the following is trihydroxypropane? Which of the following is trihydroxypropane? Come on, who is trihydroxypropane? Trihydroxy, CH2OH, CH2OH. It is trihydroxypropane. Who is this? Actually, it is glycerol. Okay, simple question. Actually, it is a glycerol. Okay, it is glycerol. Option A is the answer. Trihydroxypropane is called glycerol. Okay, ready? It's a simple question. Okay. The next question, come on, guys. Next question. The lecithin is A. Next question. Lecithin is A. What is lecithin? Come on, lecithin. Sterol, phospholipid, and sphingolipid. Oh, sphingolipid and glycolipid. Okay, what is a lecithin? First of all, it's a cell and cell membrane. Okay, the cell membrane is made up of phospholipid. The cell membrane is made up of phospholipid. The name of phospholipid is called lecithin. Option C is the answer. Okay, option C is the answer. It is cell, and cell is covered with a cell membrane. The cell membrane is made up of phospholipid. The phospholipid is called lecithin. Option C is the answer. Okay, ready? The next question. The arachidonic acid has. Next question. The arachidonic acid has how many carbon atoms? So good question, guys. Palmitic acid, stearic acid. Okay. Palmitic acid is 60 carbon. Okay. Stearic acid is 80 carbon. Okay. And arachidonic acid is 20 carbon atom. Option C is the answer. The arachidonic acid has. Okay. The arachidonic acid has the 20 carbon atom. The arachidonic acid has the 20 carbon atom. Option C is the answer. Option C is the answer. Okay, simple question, guys. Next question. The component present in both nucleotides and nucleosides. Which component are present in both nucleotides and nucleosides? First of all, what is nucleotide? What is nucleoside? Nucleoside is only sugar and nitrogen base. The sugar and nitrogen base is called nucleoside. Okay, the sugar and nitrogen base is called nucleoside. Okay, the nucleoside plus phosphoric acid is equal to nucleotide. Which component are both? Sugar plus nitrogen base is equal to nucleoside, and sugar plus nitrogen base plus phosphoric acid is equal to nucleotide. Okay, which is answer? Come on. The component sugar and phosphate. Now, sugar is AC. Yeah, AC. The both A and C. Yes, option D is the answer, because the nucleotide and the nucleoside contain the both sugar and nitrogen base. Okay, which is answer? Option D is the answer. Okay, ready? Okay, the 20th question. Question 20. Okay, the cytidine is a. The next question. The cytidine is a thymidine. Okay, who is cytidine? Cytidine is a nitrogen base? No. Is a nucleoside or nucleotide? Come on, which is answer? It is nucleotide or nucleoside? Cytidine is. Okay, cytidine. Look here, guys. Sugar plus cytosine is equal to cytidine. Okay. The sugar plus cytosine is equal to cytidine. Who is this? It is nucleoside. And the nucleotide name is the adenosine. cytidine monophosphate is a nucleotide. Cytidine monophosphate is a nucleotide, or the cytidinic acid is nucleotide, but is here, so cytidine is a nucleoside. The sugar plus cytosine is equal to cytidine. Okay, come on. The sugar plus cytosine is equal to cytidine. The cytidine is nucleotide. The cytidine is a nucleoside. Oh, sorry. The cytidine is nucleoside, but nucleotide, or cytidinic acid is nucleotide. The okay, understood. The cytidine is nucleoside. Option B is the answer. Option B is the answer. So good question. Okay, ready? The next question. Okay, next question. The given reaction. Refer to the given reaction. Okay. The given reaction. Adenine plus X. Okay. Adenine plus X give adenosine. Okay. Adenosine Y, adenilic acids. What do X and Y represent here? Okay. Adenine plus X adenosine. Who is adenosine? Is nucleoside. Adenosine is a nucleoside. The adenine is a nitrogen base. The nitrogen base plus X is sugar. Sugar is here. X is sugar. Phosphate group no. Sugar molecule yes. And two options are sugar molecules. X is sugar molecules. Okay. The adenosine is a nucleoside plus Y. It's a phosphoric acid is adenilic acid is a nucleotide. Who is Y? Y is a phosphoric acid. It's a phosphate group. Okay, which option? Option B is the answer. It's a simple question. Okay. Option B is the answer. Ready? Okay, ready guys. Ready. And the next question. 14. Okay, 14th 14. The adenosine, guanosine, thymidine, uridine, cytidine are all dash. Adenosine, guanosine, thymidine, uridine, cytidine all are dash. What? Adenosine? Come on. Adenosine, guanosine is a nucleotide or nucleoside? It's a nucleoside. Okay. It's a nucleotide. No. It's a nucleoside. It's a not nucleoside. It is a nucleoside. It's a nucleoside. Adenosine, guanosine, thymidine, uridine, cytidine all are nucleoside. Okay. Nucleoside. Dash. Nucleoside. But adenilic acid, guanilic acid, nucleic acid is nucleotide. It's a nucleoside. No, it's a nucleic acid. It's a nucleic acid. Nucleic acid. Option D is the answer. Option okay. Which option? Option D is the answer. Option D is the 14. Option D is the answer. Okay, ready? The next question. Okay. Okay, ready? Let us start. Okay. And just check the time, guys. Okay. The next, okay, 50th question. Which of the following options correctly identify the structural formula shown in the figure? So simple question. Oh guys, a very simple, very simple question. Oh yeah. Give me, who is this? Come on. Look here guys. Just calculate the carbon number. Okay. Just calculate the carbon number. Okay. H, OH, H, OH, H, OH, H, OH, CH2, OH. Okay, CH2, OH is okay. How many carbon? Carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3, carbon number 4, carbon number 5, carbon number 6. 6 carbon. How many hydrogen? Hydrogen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Is it 12? Okay, 12. 12 hydrogen. The oxygen number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 6. C6H12 or 6. Who is this? Come on, who is this? That is glucose. Yes. It's a symbol. C6H12 or 6 is glucose. It is here glucose molecules. Okay. And who is this? Come on. HOH, 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 CH2OH, CH2OH and the H. Here calculates first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon, fifth carbon. Total C5. The hydrogen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10? Yes. 10 hydrogen and oxygen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Who is this? C5H10O5. Who is this? It is ribose sugar. Which option? The glucose and ribose. This is not a deoxy, it is a ribose because OH is present and glucose. Option C is the answer. Simple question. Okay. Option C is the answer. Okay, ready? Okay, ready. The next question. Okay, next question. Identify the amino acid given below and the select the correct option. Identify the amino acids given below and the select the correct option. Okay, ready? Identify the amino acids given below and the select the correct option. Okay. What is this? Which amino acids? 3 amino acids are given, guys. H is called glycine. CH3 is called alanine. CH2OH is called serine. Come on. H is called glycine. CH2 is called alanine. CH2OH is called serine. Oh, one second. H is called glycine. CH3 is called alanine. CH2OH is called serine. Okay, which is answer? Which is answer? H is called glycine. 2 is glycine. 2 is glycine. Only one option is there. It is answer. It's very simple. It is called glycine. And one is called alanine. Alanine and CH2OH is called serine. Option B is the answer. It's a very quick. It's a very simple answer. Simple. Okay, ready? And the next 17th question. Okay, 17th question. Given molecular formula belong to which of the following group of biomolecule? Guys, you expected more class from me. Okay, you join our WhatsApp channel and I put the WhatsApp channel link in description box. Okay, you joined our WhatsApp channel. I inform you which chapter, which day, which time I take the live. Okay, guys. Okay, given molecular formula belong to which of the following group of biomolecule? Oh, is this? Who is this? So simple, guys. Who is this? Come on, who is this? Come on. Okay, CH2 is R1, R2, R3. Yeah, it's a 1 glycerol and 3 fatty acid molecule. 1 glycerol and 3 fatty acid molecule is called, come on, monoglyceride, diglyceride, triglyceride. Not a carbohydrate, not a protein, not a nucleic acid, and it is triglyceride. Okay, it is triglyceride. Option D is the answer. It's a very simple question. Triglyceride. Okay. Option D is the answer. It's a triglyceride molecules. Ready? Okay, ready. The next step. The 18th question. Question number 80, guys. 80 questions. Ready? 80 question. Given structural formula of correctly identify along with a related function by which of the following options? Okay. Okay. Good question. Come on. cholesterol, a component of animal cell membrane. A component of animal cell membrane is cholesterol? No, it's no correct, guys. No, it's no correct. It's no correct. Who is this? Actually, it is. Yeah, it is lecithin. It's a phospholipid. It's a phospholipid. Okay. It's a no. Lecithin, a component of cell membrane. Yeah, it's good guy. It's answer. I already discussed the phospholipid is called lecithin. The lecithin present the cell membrane. The cell membrane is made up of phospholipid. The phospholipid is called lecithin. Option B is the answer. Yeah, it's good. B. Okay. Okay. Rebecca. Is Rebecca? Is good. Okay, good Rebecca. Super Rebecca. Super. The next question. Okay. Come on. Given structural formula is correctly. Come on. Good question. Given structural formula is correctly identified along with its release function by which of the following options? Yeah, it's our NCRT figure. Yeah, NCRT. Pure NCRT question. Anybody? Give me answer. Yes. Come on. Which is answer? Yeah, it's a simple. Who is this? Who is this? So yeah. Rebecca, is cholesterol is a component of animal cell membrane? No. Yeah, a component of animal cell membrane. Yes. Nucleic acid, no. It's energy source of. That is adenosine. Option A is the answer. Is correct answer. Rebecca is good. Okay, cholesterol is the answer. Okay, ready. And the 20th question. Come on. The next 20th question. The 20th question. Come on. 20th question. 20. Which is answer? Identify the given structural formula and the select the correct option. A and B. Actually, it is your pure NCRT figure. Yeah, NCRT. Only NCRT figure. First of all, look here, guys. Who is this? Yeah, it is A. Yeah, it is a adenine. Okay, the adenine figure. Especially the two nucleoside. Your NCRT textbook have two nucleosides. So number one is adenine and number 2 is uracil. Okay, only adenine and uracil figure. Okay, this figure, who is this? It is adenine. Okay, it's adenine. Okay, and it is who is this? It is a uracil. Okay, double bond O. It's a double bond O. And CH3 is a thymine. Okay, it's a thymine. Okay, only not a CH3 because who is this? It is a uracil and it is adenine. Option. Okay, adenine and uracil. Option A is answer. Option A is the answer. Yes. Yeah is answer. Okay, Rebecca. Good. Rebecca is good. Okay. Next question. It's a simple question. It's a pure NCRT question. So not very difficult. The three structural formula A, B, C are given here. Identify the select correct option. Okay. Correct option. Okay. The another. It's a pure NCRT and pure NCRT. Okay, first of all, who is this? Yeah. Simple question. Who is this? Yeah, I already told it is adenine. Okay, it's adenine. Yeah, it is adenine. Yeah, it's adenine. And who is this? It is adenine. It is adenine here. It is sugar and nitrogen base. Okay, it is nucleoside. Okay, it is nucleoside. The nucleoside is called adenosine. Is adenosine. Okay, and who is this? Adenine here, sugar is here, and phosphoric acid here because it is nucleotide. The nucleotide is called adenosine monophosphate or adenyllic acid. Okay, adenyllic acid. Which is option? Adenine. Yes, adenine. Adenosine nucleotide. No nucleotide. No. Adenine. Okay, nitrogen base. Adenosine is a nucleoside. Yes. The adenyllic acid is a nucleotide. Yes. Option B is the answer. Yeah, it's a very simple question. Yes. Option B. Okay, correct. Okay, Rebecca. Super. Rebecca. Super. Yes. Ready, next question. Then next, the primary and secondary metabolites. Okay, this primary and secondary metabolites. Study the given statements and the select the correct option. Carbohydrate, protein, nucleic acid, lipids are the primary metabolites. Yes. Yeah, it's correct statement. Yeah, carbohydrate, protein, nucleic acid, lipids are primary metabolites. Yes, correct. Yeah, it's correct option because yeah. Oh, other question is here, guys. Yeah, it's one is correct. Statement one is correct. Okay. The alkaloid, flavonoid, rubber, etc. is a secondary metabolites. Yes, is correct. Alkaloid, flavonoid. Come on, guys. Okay. Okay. The alkaloid, flavonoid, rubber, etc. are secondary metabolites. Is correct. Yeah, is correct. Okay. And then the saturated fatty acid contain carbon-carbon double bond. This statement is correct. No, because yes, because statements. Yes. Come on, Rebecca, adelaic acid or it's adelaic acid. Yes. Okay, ready. Come on. The saturated fatty acid contain carbon-carbon doubles. No, it's a carbon-carbon single bond because this statement is incorrect. Which is answer? Statement 1 and 2 are correct. Okay. Statement 1 and 3 are incorrect. No. The statement 1 and 3 are correct. No. The only statement 2 is correct. No. Which is option? Which option? Come on. Yeah. Which option? Option A is the answer. Statement 1, 2 are correct. But statement 3 is incorrect. Okay, ready? It's a good question and it's a good question. Super question. Okay, ready? Okay, Rebecca? Yes, sir. Okay, ready. Which of the following secondary metabolites are used? Come on, next question. Which of the following secondary metabolites are used as a drug? Okay, drug. Yeah, drug. Come on, which is used for drug? Okay, which is used for drug? Abrin and ricin, no, is a toxins. It is no. Vinblastine, cucumbin. Yes, it is answer. Okay, vini and blastine. Yeah, eat cucumber and it is unconscious because it's a drug. Vini and blastine eat cucumber. Okay, vini and blastine eat cucumber and it is unconscious because it is a drug. Okay, it's just code for study. Okay, vini and blastine eat cucumber. What happened? The vini and blastine eat cucumber. They are unconscious because it is a cucumber is a drug. Okay, it's just code. Just remember. Okay, the option B is the answer. Okay, option B is the answer. Good. Okay, good. Yeah. The next. Yes, next question. Yes, next question. Which of the following is an alkaloid? Which of the following is alkaloid? Which of the following alkaloid? Simple question. Yes. Yeah. Which of the following is alkaloid? Which of the following is an alkaloid? Alaka. Okay. The alaka more is a word. Actually, our Kerala is more is curd. Kudi means is a drink. Okay, our Kerala is a Malayalam word. Okay, alaka more kudichu, alaka more kudi, alaka more kudi. Is any code? Alaka more kudi, alkaloid, morphine and codeine. Option B and C. Option yes. Option D is the answer. Yes. D. Okay, good. Okay, Rebecca is good. D. Okay. And then next for 25 question. 25. Which of the following is a polymeric compound? Yeah. The lemongrass oil is a no. It's a simple question. Cholesterol, no. Is a rubber? Yes. Rubber and is a rubber is polymeric compound and concalavin, no. Option B is the answer. The 25 option B is the answer. It's a rubber is the answer. Okay, ready? Yes, good guys. Good. The next question. The next question. The biomolecules section is biomolecules. Next section, next topic, your NCRT, the biomolecules. Okay, the macromolecules section. The question coming here, your macromolecules or biomolecules. Which of the following organic compound is found in acid insoluble fraction, but the molecular weight do not exceed 800 Dalton? It's a good question. Okay. Okay, which of the following organic compound is found in acid insoluble fraction, but molecular weight do not exceed 800 Dalton? Okay, the first of all, carbohydrate, the molecular weight above 10,000 Dalton. The protein, the molecular weight above 10,000 Dalton. Okay, the nucleic acid, the molecular weight above 10,000 Dalton. But one, who is this? It's a lipid. Lipid actually present in acid insoluble fraction, but the molecular weight not exceed 800 Dalton. Which option? Yeah, option B. Come on, option. Which option? Yeah, option D is a lipid. Okay, the 26th answer. The 26th answer, option D. Yes, the lipid is answer. Okay, ready? Okay, ready. Right. Good. Okay, the next question, the 27th question. Okay, lipid. The 27th questions. Come on. Which of the following organic compound are acid insoluble fraction? Which is acid insoluble fraction? Protein? Yes. Nucleic acids? Yes. Polysaccharides? Yes. Lipids? Yes. Simple questions, guys. Simple. The protein 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Option D is the answer. It's a very simple question. Okay, guys. Simple. Okay, guys. Okay. The next question. Oh my goodness. Next question. Yeah, it's a good question. The correct order, the chemical composition of living tissue cell term, the percentage of the total cellular mass. Yes. Yeah. Rebecca, option D. Okay, good. Oh, come on. Next question. Come on. The most abundant in cell. Who is the most abundant in cell? Is a water. Water is most abundant. It's a nucleic acid, no. It's a water. Yeah, it's a water and water, not a lipid. Okay, water. And then is a protein. Yes, correct. The most abundant substance in the cell is water. Then protein. Yes, correct. It's a protein. And then nucleic acids or carbohydrates. Come on. Which options? Nucleic acid or carbohydrate? Yeah. Not a carbohydrate. It's a nucleic acid. Then carbohydrate. Then lipid. Then ions. Option B is the answer. Okay. Actually, this table is given your NCRT textbook. The table. Okay, the table is given here. The percentage of substance present in the cells. Option C? No, not option C, because option B is answer. We got water, then protein, then nucleic acid, then carbohydrates. Okay, I show you this table. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh, I'm sorry. Actually, the network is connected. Just wait. It's network. Okay. I'm sure this section, okay. Yeah, here the most abundant in is water, then protein, then carbohydrate, then sorry. So most abundant is water, then protein, then 5 to 7 is a nucleic acids. Okay, 5 to 7 is a nucleic acid, then 5 to 7, then carbohydrate, then lipid, and then ions. Okay, ready? Okay, which is answer? Option B is answer. Water, protein, nucleic acids, then carbohydrate, then lipid, then ion. Option B is answer. Okay, sir. Okay, Rebecca. Okay. The next question. 29. Read the given statements and the select option that correctly sort them with respect to A and B given flow chart. Okay. Oh, yes. The living tissue. Okay. The living tissue grinding in trichloroacetic acid, the thick slurry, strained through the cheesecloth. 2 fraction is obtained. Filtrate acid soluble pool and retentate acid insoluble pool. Okay. Is a filtrate and acid soluble. Okay. See. Okay. Yeah. Which is on? Which questions are answer? Which is answer? Okay. First of all, A filtrate because acid soluble pool. Okay. Acid soluble pool contain the molecular weight range from 80 to 800 Dalton approximately. Yes, it is A. The protein, nucleic acid, polysaccharide, lipid, no. Contain chemical that have molecular weight more than, no. As a monomers, yes, A. Generally has polymers, no. The A contain, come on guys, A contain 1 and 4. A contain 1 and 4. C. Okay? 1 and 4. Okay, B. 2. Protein, nucleic acid, polysaccharide and lipids. Written date. Okay. 2. Okay. Contain chemical do not have molecular weight more than. Okay. Has generally has polymers. Okay. 2, 3, 4. Okay. Which is answer? Yeah, surely. Which answer? Option C is the answer. Okay. Simple question, guys. Option C is the answer. So good question. Super question. Okay. Thank you, sir. Okay. Are you ready? Ready? The next. It's a simple question, guys. Option C is the answer. Okay, ready? Okay, I think you are ready. Okay. Going to the next question. So 100 questions are waiting. 100 questions. Okay. 100 question. 100 question. You crack the 100 question. The biomolecules are very simple. Okay. Biomolecules is very simple. Okay, next question. Take living tissue. Okay. They grind in trichloroacetic acid. Okay. Using pestle and mortar. Okay. And then strain to you would obtain 2 fractions, acid soluble and acid insoluble fraction. Okay. The acid insoluble fraction do not contain polysaccharide, nucleic acids, lipids, flavonoids and alkaloids. Okay, which is answer? Simple. Which is answer? The acid insoluble contain polysaccharide, lipid, nucleic acid, but do not contain flavonoid and alkaloid. Okay, do not contain flavonoid and alkaloid. Option D is the answer. It's a good question. Okay, come on guys, come on, just relax, come on. Okay, which is answer? Option D is the answer. Option D is the answer. Ready? Option D is the answer. Okay, the next section, the protein, the most important section for your NEET exams. So protein. Okay, protein. The next topic is protein. Okay, ready? Protein. Okay, guys, protein. Which of the following statement is correct? Which of the following statement is correct? Okay, sorry, incorrect. Not a correct. It's a incorrect. The essential amino acid have not synthesized. Okay, essential amino acid are not synthesized in the body, therefore they have to be provided in diet. Essential amino acid are not synthesized in the body. Is correct? Statement is correct? Yes or no? Yes, the statement is, yeah, the statement is correct statement. The next, certain amino acid contain hydroxymethyl group. Yeah, CH2OH. It's a hydroxymethyl. Hydroxymethyl is, yes, correct. Certain amino acid is. Each protein is a polymer of amino acid. Yeah, sure. Each protein is made up of polymer of amino acid. Is correct. Lysine is acidic amino acid. No. Lysine is acidic. No. The lysine and arginine. Yes, B. Yeah, the lysine and arginine is basic amino acid, because not a lysine acidic. You know, guys, the lysine is a basic amino acid. The lysine is a basic amino acid. Okay. Lysine is a basic amino acid. Who is acidic amino acid? Who is amino acid? 2 amino acids are given. Acidic amino acid. Yeah. Aspartic acid and is a glycine, alanine, valine, aspartic acid and glutamic acid. Okay, the aspartic acid and glutamic acid are the aspartic acid and glutamic acid are the acidic amino acid. Which option? Option. Yes, sir. Yes. Yeah, which option? Option? Yeah, D is the answer. Okay, option D is the answer. So simple question, guys. Simple question. The next question. What build the molecules? The next question. What will be the molecular formula of the polypeptide consisting of the 10 glycine molecule when the formula of glycine C2H2ON? Oh, is good question, guys. Good question. What will be the molecular formula of polypeptide consisting 10 glycine molecule? 10 glycine. When the formula of the glycine C2H2O2. Okay, which is answer? Ten glycine molecule. Yes. Yeah, I just not remember that. Guys, this question. So it's just one equation is here. Come on, what is the question? Which is answer? What will be the molecular formula of polypeptide consisting 10 glycine? 10 glycine molecule, okay? 10 glycine molecule, okay? Glycine, alanine, okay? I just remember 10 glycine molecule, glycine is C2H10O2. I'm just drawing here, okay? C2H2O2, okay? It's a glycine, 10 glycine molecule, okay? The question is here, 10 glycine molecule and 10 glycine molecule, the glycine is C2H2O2, C2H5O2. Glycine is C2H5 and O2 is a one glycine molecule. The question, 10 glycine molecule, okay, 10 glycine molecule. Yeah, how to crack answer? Okay, come on guys, like, look here guys. Actually, the glycine is glycine. It's COOH and H then NH2. Okay, it's a glycine. Glycine, alanine. It's a glycine. Okay, it is a glycine. How many oxygen atom? It's a 2 oxygen atom, 2 carbon atom. Yes, 2 carbon atom. 2 carbon atom. 5 hydrogen. 2, 3, 4, 5. Is correct. Okay, almost correct. Okay, 2 carbon, 1 carbon. It's a 2 carbon atom here. 5 hydrogen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 hydrogen atom. 2 oxygen molecule. Okay, and then 10. Look at guys, 10 glycine chain. It's a 10 glycine chain. Okay, I'm just write the glycine chain. Okay, plus NH2 CH COOH and it is R. Okay, 2 glycine. And how to link the glycine? How to link? Look here guys, it's a OH. It's a OH. Oh, first of all guys, I'm sorry. It is glycine molecule and okay, and then just change NH2 chain right here HNH. Okay, HNH. Okay, HNH. I'm just write HNH. Okay, and then what happened? The OH and the H removed here. The OH and H removed here. Okay. Okay, is removed here because it is water molecules. Okay, OH and H removed. Is a water molecule is removed, and finally, yeah, it is going, and the peptide bond is formed. It's a peptide bond. Yeah, is given here. Is a result. Okay, the 2 glycine molecule 2H2O is removed. Okay, it is a 2 glycine molecule. Two glycine molecules are linked, but a water molecule is removed. Actually, it is a water molecule. Okay, actually, yeah. Actually, who is this? It is water molecule. Actually, this is water molecule. So water molecule is removed. Okay. Actually, just you calculate. Look here, guys. I'm just calculate. The answer is here. Look here, guys. Total how many? Carbon atom? 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a 4 carbon atom. 4 carbon atom. How many hydrogen atom? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 6. Okay, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Okay. Hydrogen atom is just 5. How many oxygen? 1 and 2. Okay, 2. 2 oxygen. Is it correct, guys? Once again. 1 carbon atom. How many carbon? 1 and 2. Oh, only 2 carbon. Yeah, only 2 carbon. C2H2O2. Okay. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. C2H2O2 and total C4H10 and O4. O4. Okay. But here, just calculate here. Calculate here. How many carbon atom? Carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. C4 is here. How many hydrogen atom? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. 7. Hydrogen atom is 7. How many oxygen atom? How many oxygen atom? 1 is here. 2, 3. Okay. 3. Oxygen atom 3. Which means, guys, what's the meaning? Is a linked. 2 glycine is a linked. 2 glycine is linked. It actually 2 glycine is linked. What happened? Total 10 hydrogen is here, but now minus 3 hydrogen. Okay, minus 3 hydrogen, and actually here 4 oxygen, but only 1 oxygen is minus. Okay, the 1 oxygen is minus and 3 hydrogen is minus. Okay, you just idea. Okay, then how to calculate answer? Yes, ready. Come on, question here. What will be the molecular formula of polypeptide contain 10 glycine? The molecular formula of glycine C2H2O2. Okay. The first of all, sorry. And first of all, C2 like 10. C2 into guys, C2 into 10, C20, 10 into 50, 10 into 5, 30 is a 50. Okay, 50. 10 into C5 is a 50. 10 into is a C20. Okay, C20. Okay. We already discussed the linking between 2 glycine. Water molecule is removed. Water molecule removed means 2 H2 and O is going. Okay, between the 10 glycine chain, how many water molecules are formed? Just calculate the linking between 2 glycine chain. How many water molecules are formed? I think it's a 9 water molecules. Yes, yeah, it's a 9 water molecules are formed. 9 in how many H2 is 9? How many H2? 2 in 9 is 18 H2. Okay, 18 hydrogen. How many oxygen? 9 oxygen. Okay, plus minus 9 hydrogen is minus. Okay, C20 18 hydrogen is minus in 15. Okay, hydrogen 50 minus 80, which is answer 32, 32, okay, and it's a 32, okay, hydrogen 32, okay, and oxygen, it's a 9 oxygen is going, 9 oxygen is going, so 20, 9 oxygen is going, total, yeah, oxygen molecules, yes, 20, 20 oxygen molecule, that actually it's a 20 oxygen molecule, the 9 oxygen molecule is going, remaining 11, which option is here? Which option is here? Guys, you understood? Guys, you understood, guys? Which option? Which option, guys? Come on. Not a C, no. It's no. C20, guys. Okay, C20. It's 32, okay. Or 11, and yes, option B is the answer. Oh my goodness. Okay, are you ready? Rebecca? Actually, you understood? Or? Okay. Oh, it's a difficult question. Yeah, this is just a simple trick, and any simple trick, okay, of course. But I'm not remember that. It's a calculating idea, okay. Okay, Rebecca, I think you understood, because the water molecule form, okay, 9 water molecules are formed, that water molecules are minus, okay, total, just within seconds you calculate the answer, no, within seconds, okay, actually my English is not fluent, okay, my English is not fluent, that's my big problem, okay, I thought you understood, okay, I thought it's a simple question, the answer option D, C, 20 and H32 and O11 N10, because the 9 water molecules are minus, okay, 9 water molecules are minus, that's answer, okay, next question, 33, okay, then 33, which of the following is correct group of protein, okay, so simple questions, so your table, which of the following is correct group of protein, which of the following is correct group of protein, collagen, trypsin, insulin, antibody receptor, and GLUT4. Collagen, trypsin, insulin, antibody receptor. Yeah, it's a answer. So lecithin, no, lecithin is no. Collagen, trypsin, insulin, antibody receptor, lecithin, no. Okay, and collagen, rubisco, GLUT4, insulin, lecithin. No, lecithin is a phospholipid. Okay, option A is the answer. 33, option A is the answer. Okay. 33 is A is the answer. The next question. 34th question. Come on. Read the following statements and select the correct option. Read the following statements and select correct option. Statement 1. The amino acid can be essential or non-essential. Yeah, correct. Amino acid can be essential or non-essential. The dietary proteins are source of non-essential amino acid. The dietary proteins are the source of non-essential amino acid. Come on, the statements correct or incorrect? Come on, statement correct or incorrect? Yes, it is incorrect, because dietary proteins are source of it's an essential amino acid. Okay, the dietary protein are the source of essential amino acid, not a non-essential, because the statements are incorrect. Which statement 1 is correct and statement 2 is incorrect. Option B is the answer. Okay, option B is the answer. Ready? It's a simple question. Okay, Rebecca and team. Okay, ready? Okay, ready. Okay, ready. That's the next question. Come on, next question. 35. The question number 35. Okay, sir. Okay, next 35. 35 question. Question number 35. The dash is the most abundant protein in animal world, and dash is the most abundant protein wool of biosphere. Which is answer? The most. Yes, a simple question. Yeah, simple. The collagen is the most abundant protein in animal world, and the rubisco is the most abundant protein in wool of biosphere. Okay, collagen, keratin. Okay, option A is the answer. 35. Option A is the answer. Sorry, sir. Yes, option B. Yeah, option A. Okay, no problem. Okay, ready. Okay, the next topic. Okay, are you ready? Go. Are you ready? Under questions. Okay, under questions. Then now question number 36. Okay, are you ready? Are you tired? Do you tired? Sorry, are you tired? No. Do you tired? Yeah, are you ready? Go next question. Challenge 100 question. Come on. Okay. Okay, the 36th question. Polysaccharide. Okay. Yeah, guys, next question. Polysaccharide. Polysaccharide. The polysaccharide made up of glucose monomers are. Polysaccharide made up of glucose. The monomers are. NEE. Okay. Okay, the 50 question. Okay, 50 question. 50. Tomorrow 50 question. Okay. We are good, sir. Okay, we are good, sir. Okay. C. Okay. Option C. Okay, the polysaccharide made up of glucose monomers are glycogen, cellulose. Cellulose, inulin. No, cellulose. The polysaccharide made up of glucose monomers are. Yeah, monomers are. Which option? Option. Yeah, option C is answer because glycogen and cellulose. The glycogen monomers are glucose. The cellulose monomers glucose. Okay. The inulin is monomer of fructose. Chitin is monomer of N-acetyl galactosamine. Inulin is a okay. Option C is the answer. Good. Super. The next question. The next question. Okay. Next question. Option C. Okay. Next. Study the given statement. And select the correct option. Okay. Study the given statement. Okay. First statement. Cellulose is homopolymer of glucose. Yes, it's correct. Cellulose is homopolymer of glucose. Yes, correct. Inulin is homopolymer of fructose. Inulin is, yes, correct. Inulin is a homopolymer of fructose. Is correct. Starch give blue color with iodine solution. Yes, that is correct. Okay. Cellulose give no color with iodine solution. Yeah, that is correct because the all options are correct. Okay. Statement 1, statement 2, statement 3, statement 4 are correct because the all statements are correct. Option D is the answer. Yes. A, not sure, but option 7. A is not sure. Cellulose is a homopolymer of glucose. Yeah, cellulose is a homopolymer of glucose because yeah, the three type of homopolymers is a glycogen, starch, and cellulose. According to our NCERT textbook, the glycogen and starch and cellulose is a homopolymer. It's a homopolymer. Okay, option D is okay. Is a homopolymer. Okay. Ready. Okay, glycogen, starch, and cellulose is a homopolymer of glucose. Okay, ready? Because of statement. Okay, next question. Oh, it's a big question. Okay, read the given statements. Okay, come on. Read the given statements and the select the correct option. Read the given statements and the select the correct option. Right end of polysaccharide chain is called reducing end and the left end is called non-reducing end. Okay. Statement is correct. Yes. According to our NCERT, it is NCERT line. It's a correct statement. The starch can hold iron molecule in helical secondary structure, but cellulose non-helical cannot be hold iron. Yes, correct. Starch can form secondary helical structure that hold iron molecule because they can blue color. But in the cellulose, not a helical structure because not hold iron molecules. Option 2 is correct. The starch and glycogen are branched molecule. Yes, because yes, your NCERT test. The figure is your NCERT test. Okay, that figure mention your NCERT test because starch and glycogen are the branched molecule. Okay, it's a branched chain molecules. Okay, branched chain molecules. The next question. Okay, next question. Next. The starch and glycogen are the reserve food material plants and animal respectively. Yes, that is correct because starch food storing form in plant, the glycogen is food storing form in animal because option that four statements are correct because the all statements are correct. Option D is the answer. Okay. Yes, option D is the answer. It's a simple question because you are study your NCERT with a line. Okay, this is simple. Okay, all are NCERT line. It's a pure NCERT line. Pure NCERT line. Okay. The next question, come on. Next question. Rebecca, today we only 50 question. Okay. Tomorrow again 50 question. Okay. 50 question. Today 50 question enough. Okay, ready? The next question. Read the given statement and the select the correct one. Read the given statements and the select the correct one. Inulin is a polymer of fructose. Read the given statement and select the correct one. Okay. Inulin is a polymer of fructose. Yes, correct. Glycine is the simplest amino acid. Glycine, alanine is correct because glycine, H is glycine, is the simplest amino acid. Yeah. The paper made from plant pulp, cotton fiber and cellulosic. Statement is correct. Yeah, that is correct statements. Okay, so statements is correct. Okay, it's correct statement. The starch form helical secondary structure. Yes, that is correct. Starch can form secondary helical structure. Yes. Yes, which option? Option D. Okay, come on, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the four statements are correct. Option D is the answer. Option D is the answer. Okay, ready? Option D is the answer. So 39. All options are correct. Then next question. Next. Okay. Oh. Which of the following not a homopolymer? Okay. Which of the following not a homopolymer? Which of the following is not a homopolymer? Which is not a polymer? Protein is homopolymer? Come on. Protein is homopolymer? No. Protein exists. Heteropolymer because the protein contain different type of amino acids, not a homopolymer. The glycogen is homopolymer, cellulose is homopolymer, the chitin is homopolymer, but protein exists heteropolymer, which is option A is answer. Okay? Yeah, good question. Next question. Which of the following statement is not correct regarding chitin? It is a storage of polysaccharide. Which of statement is correct? Okay, correct statement. It is storage of polysaccharide. It is mostly homopolysaccharide. It is constitute the arthropod exoskeleton and the fungal cell wall. Come on. Which is option? The 41st question. Come on. It's a simple option. Which of the following statement is not correct? Which is option? Come on. It is a storage. No. It is a exoskeleton. It's a storage polysaccharide. No. Option A is the answer. Option yes. Okay, sorry, sir. Yeah, okay. Option C. Yeah, it is mostly homopolysaccharide. Okay, correct. It is a contribute the arthropod. Our especially. Yes, our cockroach, your Stalin cockroach, exoskeleton is made up of chitin. Okay, exoskeleton is made up of in animal kingdom. Arthropod is exoskeleton made up of exoskeleton is made up of chitin, and fungal cell wall. Okay, fungal kingdom fungi. What is kingdom fungi? It's a unicellular or multicellular. The cell wall is made up of chitin. Is called kingdom fungi. Okay. Because option A is the answer. Okay, ready? Okay, next question. Okay, simple question. No problem. Okay, Rebecca, you don't worry. You can crack NEET. Okay. Continuous question. You are ready. Okay, next question. The purine have nitrogen atom dash position. Purine and pyrimidine. Okay. Look at guys. I just drawings here. It is purine atom. Okay, it's a purine. How to number? Look here, guys. It is no. Okay, guys, look here, guys. It's just yeah. Yeah, that's a correct. The purine atom. Purine have nitrogen atom at a dash position. Okay, which position? Position is here. Just look here, guys. 1, 2. Oh my goodness. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Okay. Actually, your NCID. 1. Oof. Go. Guys, come on. 1, 3, 7. Something? Any problem? Okay. 1, 3, 7, 9. You just see your NCID restrict. Come on. 1379. 1379. Okay. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Okay. The position is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. The nitrogen position, yeah, 1, 3, 7, 9. 9 is nitrogen position. Okay. 1, 3, 7, 9. Which is answer? Yeah, which is answer? 1, 3, 7, 9. Which is answer? Option. Yeah, option 1, 3, 7, 9. Yeah, option A is the answer. Simple. The pyrimidine have a nitrogen atom at dash point. Yeah, dash point. So simple. Pyrimidine is a simple chain. Pyrimidine is a simple. It's a pyrimidine. 1, 3, 1, 3. Option C is the answer. Okay. 1, 3. Option C is the answer. Okay. C is the answer. The next question number 44. Next question 44. The three chemically distinct component of the nucleotide are Three chemically distinct compound nucleotide. Heterocyclic compound, monosaccharide, phosphoric acid. Heterocyclic is a nitrogen base. Monosaccharide is a sugar. Phosphoric acid, yeah, is correct. Homocyclic compound, no. Disaccharide, no. Heterocyclic compound, monosaccharide and sulfate, no. Heterocyclic compound, polypeptide, no. Which is option A is answer. Heterocyclic compound is called a nitrogen base. Monosaccharide is sugar and phosphoric acid is a phosphate because it's a the part of nucleotide. Option A is the answer. So simple. Okay, next question 45. Just a 6, only 5 questions remain. Okay, only 5 questions. Okay, ready? Yeah, okay. Which of the following is correct group of pyrimidine? Okay, Rebecca, I'm seeing your answer. Okay, Rebecca, good, super. Okay, and see which of the following is a correct group of pyrimidine. Okay, first of all, purine and pyrimidine. Okay, who is purine? The adenine and guanine. Are purines. Okay, the adenine and guanines are purines. And who is pyrimidine? Thymidine, no. Thymine, cytosine and uracil. Are pyrimidine. Adenine, which of the pyrimidine? Adenine and cytosine, no. Uracil and cytosine. Uracil and cytosine. Yes, that's answer. Guanine, no. Option C is the answer. Okay. Option C is the answer. Ready? Okay. Rebecca, okay, good. Option C is the answer. Cytosine, uracil, thymine. Yes, good. Rebecca, okay, good. And the last only 5 questions, Rebecca. Last and 5 questions. Identify X and Y of the given sequence. The first amino acid is called. Come on. The first amino acid is called. Just imagine. It is the end of amino acid. NH2. It's a COOH. Renji sir, ഞാനൊരു ഓൺലൈൻ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ ലൈവിലാണ്. ഞാൻ അത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് ഇപ്പോൾ വിളിക്കാം. അപ്പോൾ കഴിയും. ലൈവിലാ. ശരി സാർ. ഓക്കെ. Next question. Just my faculty. It's because a very urgent call. I do because okay, come on. Okay, ready? Next question. Okay, it is the amino acids. Okay, It is a amino acids C O H and it is N and this end C O H and then N. Okay, this end, the first amino acid is actually this end is N molecule and then end is C molecule. And okay guys, the first amino acid or the left end is N terminal and the last amino acid or right end is C terminal. Okay, which is answer? That this end, first amino acid is N terminal amino acid and it is C terminal amino acid. Option A is the answer. Okay, this is a simple idea. Okay guys, it is your simple idea. This end is N terminal because the amino acid NCCOOH, this end is C terminal. Okay, the right end is C terminal and the left end is N terminal, or first amino acid is N terminal or the last amino acid is C terminal. Okay, ready? Okay, understood? Okay, ready? The next, the 47. At some point A, the protein chain may be folded back on the itself like a hollow woolen ball. This is called hollow woolen ball. Primary structure, secondary structure, tertiary structure. Okay, the tertiary structure is hollow woolen ball. Coil are held together, is placed by dash. Okay, which option? Come on. Tertiary structure, yes. Secondary is only one option is given here. Only one option. Hollow woolen ball is a secondary structure. No, the hollow woolen ball is the tertiary structure because the held with a hydrogen bond. Option C is the answer. Simple question. Pure NCERT. Pure. It's a simple question. The next question. The alpha helix is the example. Okay. The alpha helix is the example for which type of protein structure? Primary, secondary, tertiary. Well, come on. The primary structure is linear. You study guys. The primary structure is linear. The secondary structure is alpha helical or beta plated. The alpha helical or beta plated is example of secondary structure. Example of tertiary structure is hollow woolen ball. The quaternary structure is hemoglobin. Okay, which is answer? Come on, which is answer? Which is alpha helix is the example which type of protein structure is secondary structure. Okay. Yes. Okay, B. Option B is answer. Secondary structure is good. Okay, next question. The last two questions. Okay, last two questions. A beta plated sheet organization. Look here guys. The beta plated sheet organization in polypeptide chain is example of primary structure? No. Is a secondary structure? Yes. Is a secondary structure. Yeah, it's a secondary structure. Okay, it's a secondary structure. Okay, it's good question. Simple question, guys. Simple. Okay, yeah, simple. Okay, next question. Okay, the last question, and this question, our today's section is finished. Tomorrow morning again, the other question. Okay, other 50 question discuss it tomorrow. So actually 9 o'clock. Time is this 9 o'clock. Okay. Ready? Okay, come on. Okay. The formation of structure A, B and okay, A and B. Okay. Okay, A and B. Which is answer? Question? Of the given few. Okay. Okay. The formation of peptide bond. A is formation of peptide bond. Formation of hydrogen bond. Formation of peptide bond. Two options are given. Formation of peptide bond, formation of peptide bond. Okay. B. Linking together two or more polypeptide. Formation of peptide bond. Linking together. Yeah. Linking together two or more polypeptide. Yes, correct. Yeah. Which is answer? Which is answer? Option? No. Formation of hydrogen bond linking to the two or more. Secondary. Guys, which is answer? I'm just going to our NCERT, okay? NCERT figure. NCERT. Yeah, NCERT. Just I'm going to NCERT. Where is figure? No. Yeah. Look here, guys. This figure. Alpha helix. Secondary alpha helix. Okay, bit updated. Okay, ready? Okay, come. Option A. Yeah, option A. 15A. Yeah, good. Yes. The formation of peptide bond linking together to or more bond. Yeah, option A is the answer. Good. Rebecca is good. Guys, today's section I just finished because it's 9 o'clock. Okay. Again tomorrow morning, I think 6 o'clock, you want more information about my class. I am just put the WhatsApp channel link in description box. Okay. You follow it on my WhatsApp channel and you can understood about my classes, everyday live section and more which chapters. Okay, about my classes, about more information about my classes, you go to my WhatsApp channel. Okay, and thank you guys. Rebecca, thank you for your participating in my online section, and I wish you all the best for your NEET exam. Thank you so much, sir. Nice section. Okay, thank you, Rebecca. And okay, and finally, thank you guys, and see you tomorrow. And next section, see you tomorrow. And I continue the live section in next NEET exam. Every day live section is here. Okay, you participate and you crack your NEET and you crack your ambition. Okay, so see you. Thank you once again. Thank you guys. And finish my section. Okay, have a good day. Thank you.